Finding the perfect tool can make or break any DIY project, but with so many options out there, which ones are worth it? In this video, we've curated a list of 30 unique tools on Amazon that are not only cool, but actually practical for all your DIY needs. From time savers to precision enhancers, these are the tools you'll wish you had discovered sooner. Let's dive in and see which ones could be game changers for your toolkit. If you're looking for a compact knife sharpener that can handle both standard and serrated blades, Smith's Pocket Pal is worth a look. It's designed with ease in mind and fits right in your pocket, making it a practical pick for DIYers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The Pocket Pal has a coarse slot for tackling damaged edges and a fine slot for light honing. For serrated knives, the tapered diamond-coated rod comes in handy, letting you sharpen each serration with precision. To use, just place it on a flat surface, insert the blade, tilt slightly downward, and pull it through the coarse slot 5 or 6 times. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth and store it dry. With reversible and replaceable blades, the Pocket Pal is built to last. A great addition for anyone needing a portable, reliable knife sharpener on the go. With their distinctive blue color, Malco Impact hex drivers aren't just eye-catching. They're built to handle serious impact driver stress for every fastening task. These drivers are crafted for durability, designed to withstand high pressure without failing, thanks to precision machining that ensures a secure, fail-proof fit on any fastener head. But what truly sets these hex drivers apart is the spring-loaded floating magnet. This feature keeps the magnet intact, even under heavy impact stress or when working with higher-profile hex heads that might otherwise damage standard drivers. It holds screws firmly, preventing slips and breakage that can disrupt your work. For any DIYer or pro who relies on impact drivers, Malco's Impact hex drivers are a smart addition to your kit, delivering power and reliability you can count on. Alright, we just saw some cool products that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So, if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. If you need a headlamp that keeps up with demanding work without dimming, the Tajima LED headlamp is worth a closer look. Thanks to its constant current circuit, this headlamp maintains consistent brightness in any mode until the battery is fully drained, so you won't have to deal with flickering or fading light. And for those moments when you need extra visibility, just press the boost button for a powerful 500 lumen flood beam that lights up for 10 seconds. Perfect for quick inspections or illuminating a wider area. This headlamp also comes with some great practical features. It runs on a rechargeable battery or AA batteries, making it versatile, and the external battery compartment is easy to open, even with gloves on. Designed to fit comfortably over a hard hat with secure helmet clips, it's a reliable, flicker-free light that can handle any job. For anyone tired of misplacing tools or constantly bending to pick them up, the Tajima Clip N Hold might be the simple but effective solution you need. Designed to fit waist belts up to 3 inches wide and a 1/4 inch thick, this clip securely holds your tools right at your side. What's unique about it is its one-handed operation. Just hook or unhook tools effortlessly, which is perfect when you're multitasking or wearing gloves. The Clip N Hold isn't just convenient, it's built to prevent tool drops, saving you the hassle and risk of misplacing essential gear during a job. Its sturdy design keeps everything accessible yet secure, ideal for anyone who needs their hands free while working. A small tool that makes a big difference. This clip is a practical addition for tradespeople, DIYers, or anyone who values organization on the job. If you need a versatile pull saw that's compact and easy to carry, the ToughBuilt folding pull saw has you covered. Its patent-pending design integrates blade storage right into the handle, so you get the power of a full-length saw with the convenience of compact storage. The injection-molded handle gives you comfort and control, while a steel substructure provides added durability, ensuring straighter cuts with less effort. Equipped with a unique double-edge blade, it offers both a 17 TPI edge for ultra-fine cuts and a progressive 7 to 10 TPI edge for fine cuts, making it adaptable to different materials and finishes. Plus, the flexible micro-thin blade allows for smooth push and pull strokes, and the hardened teeth are perfect for fast flush cuts. With its geared pivoting mechanism, the handle flips open and closed effortlessly. This tool is a real game changer for anyone in need of precision and portability. No more unstacking to reach your tools. ToughBuilt's StackTech 1 and 3-drawer toolboxes make storage intuitive with a self-aligning top and single-point slide switch that offers true one-handed access. The drawers stay secure, thanks to an auto-locking interface, and open smoothly with ball-bearing slides, so you're ready to tackle any project without extra hassle. Inside, you'll find 8 adjustable dividers, 2 large and 6 small, to keep every tool exactly where you want it. Built with impact-resistant corners and tool-free quick-release steel accessory rails, StackTech is rugged, modular, and adaptable to every trade. Pros love the durability, customization, and especially the convenience of accessing tools without the need to unstack. If you're building your ultimate toolbox setup, StackTech is one of those cool finds that's designed to make your work faster, organized, and truly efficient. With a 15-amp motor delivering 6.5 tons of log-splitting power, the Built-Hard electric log splitter is ready to handle your toughest jobs. This powerhouse reaches speeds up to 3,400 revolutions per minute, easily splitting logs up to 9.8 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches long, making woodcutting tasks faster and more efficient. Thanks to its two-hand control system, safety is prioritized, and its eco-friendly, fume-free electric power eliminates emissions, keeping your workspace cleaner and quieter. The log splitter's durable steel build and quick 18-second reset cycle make it a reliable choice for continuous cutting. Plus, with sturdy 5.7-inch wheels, moving it across uneven ground is a breeze. If you're after a log splitter that combines power, portability, and eco-conscious design, Built-Hard's electric log splitter is the tool you need. For fast, precise leveling on coarse beds, the Egaliner Epic is a game changer for pavers and landscapers. With a sturdy frame, adjustable width from 700 to 2100 millimeters, and ergonomic design, it offers superior control whether you're working on sand or gravel. The sharp, stainless steel beater blade is designed to effortlessly tackle compacted surfaces, while the adjustable mold board lets you refine your level with a 4% roof profile. Convenient features like the shovel holder, key for adjusting eye nuts, and extra sturdy tie rod holder make setup easy, and the large, anti-leak plastic wheels leave minimal marks. Plus, you can add weight with bricks for extra stability. The Egaliner Epic's upright, ergonomic operation, and versatile adjustment options make it perfect for big projects, from landscaping to riding arenas. This tool is all about efficiency and precision. With a cutting force of 1,980 pounds, the RubyHit 1200 RS manual cutter is built to handle large format tiles up to 47 inches. Designed for smooth, precise cuts, it features a double support system and a special 45-degree cutting option for angular accuracy. The 22mm extreme scoring wheel glides through tiles with ease, and it's compatible with a range of scoring wheels from 6 to 18 millimeters, making it versatile for various tile types. One standout feature is the magnetized breaker, which lets you switch seamlessly between breaking and marking, saving time and effort on each cut. If you're tackling big tiling jobs, the HIT 1200 RS offers the power, precision, and ease you need. Looking to make firewood prep easy and safe? Veevor's firewood kindling splitter could be your new best friend. With an interior diameter of 9 inches, it handles logs up to 8.6 inches wide and 16 inches long, letting you split hefty pieces in seconds. Built with a durable V-shaped finger safety blade, this tool focuses on softwood spots, making splitting smoother and safer. Its carburization steel blade resists dulling, and the sturdy cast steel frame, coated to last, can handle countless uses without a hitch. Plus, it's portable. At just 4.3 pounds, you can take it anywhere, from your backyard to camping trips. The setup's quick and only needs 4 screws, so it's ready for use in minutes. Whether it's maple, birch, or mesquite, Veevor's splitter has you covered for fireside warmth all winter. Tired of messy workspaces and dust flying everywhere? The Klein Tools collapsible dust bowl might just be the solution. Designed for hole saws up to 6 3/8 inches and arbors up to ½ inch, this dust bowl is versatile enough to handle most of your projects. It's compatible with common vacuum hoses, so you can connect it effortlessly and keep debris contained as you drill. The friction-fit vacuum port ensures a tight connection, making cleanups practically automatic. When the job's done, the dust bowl collapses for easy storage. No bulky accessories cluttering up your space. This compact design makes it a convenient tool that keeps your workspace clean and saves you time on cleanup. With Klein's Dust Bowl, you get cleaner cuts and a tidier job site every time. Need a powerful tool that fits in your pocket? The Knipex Cobra XS is here to impress. This compact, high-tech water pump plier, measuring just 100 millimeters, is perfect for tight spaces where larger tools can't reach. With its fine adjustment mechanism, it has 11 positions to fit nuts up to 24 millimeters and other pieces as wide as 28 millimeters, all while being easy to operate with one hand. Its hardened teeth, with a grip strength of 60 HRC, ensure a secure hold, making gripping, holding, and pressing smooth and slip-free. The self-locking design on pipes and nuts means no slipping, while a pinch guard keeps your fingers safe. Whether you're in construction or just tackling DIY projects, the Knipex Cobra XS brings big tool performance in a pocket-sized design. If downtime is slowing you down, Blue Diamond's new rubber tracks have you covered. Designed for construction, agriculture, landscaping, and rental industries, these tracks combine toughness with top-tier durability. Made from advanced rubber compounds, they resist wear and tear in the toughest conditions. With multiple patterns, block, SE lug, multi-bar, and zigzag, you can pick the right fit for any terrain, whether you're running compact loaders, mini excavators, or multi-terrain machines. The continuous steel cord structure and forged steel links minimize track breakage and ensure even tension distribution, meaning less downtime and fewer maintenance headaches. For performance, reliability, and durability, Blue Diamond skid steer tracks are built to keep your operation running smoothly. When small repairs become a hassle, the Skill Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver steps in to make things quick and easy. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing toys, or tightening screws in cramped cabinets, this tool is built for convenience and comfort. Its standout feature? A pivoting head that locks at 3 angles: 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, giving you the perfect angle for tight spaces. With 3 adjustable torque settings, it's versatile enough for delicate tasks and tougher jobs alike. The trigger button is strategically placed for easy one-finger operation, and the built-in LED ensures you can work in dark corners without missing a beat. Plus, recharging is a breeze with the integrated USB-C port and included cable. The Skill Twist 2.0 isn't just a screwdriver. It's your go-to tool for fast, comfortable fixes whenever and wherever you need them. The Coast Slayer Pro is a sleek, everyday carry flashlight designed for convenience and performance. Made from seamless aluminum with a flat, rectangular shape, it fits easily in your pocket, and the removable metal clip keeps it secure. With 5 light modes, medium flood, high flood, spot beam, low flood, and turbo, it adapts to any situation. The turbo mode delivers a powerful 40-second burst, while the rear memory switch lets you save and instantly access your favorite mode. Built tough with an IP57 rating, it's waterproof up to 1 meter and dust resistant, with a covered USB-C port to block dirt. It charges fully in 2 hours, and a battery indicator ensures you never run out of power. The Slayer Pro is a reliable, pocket-sized companion for every adventure. That wraps up our list of 30 cool tools you need for your DIY projects on Amazon. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends and colleagues if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.